in a new house, okay? Do I must take my shoes off or no? The answer is... So we will talk today about wants, defining words, and I will tell you to do and not to do in Morocco. So hello friends, my name is Assia. I'm your teacher, and today we will talk about... my name, grab my tea. So yeah. Thank you guys. Let's start with wants. Okay? So to express wants, we said أنا بغيت. For example, شرب أتاي. Okay? So أنا بغيت شرب أتاي. Okay? So this one was easy because we know the T. To express wants word, it's gonna be same. أنا بغيت شرب. أنا بغيت شرب الماء. So water, we know الماء. Okay, good. So let's talk about more specific things. For example, أنا بغيت ركب طوموبيل. أنا بغيت ركب طوموبيل. أنا بغيت ركب طوموبيل. So this is this about an action and what I want to do in this moment. Okay? So as you notice, the general rule over here is أنا بغيت. You could just said بغيت because we already know that it's you. So بغيت ركب في طوموبيل. Okay? So أنا بغيت or بغيت, as you notice. So the rule over here is أنا plus بغيت plus the verb in infinitive plus the action or what is going to happen. I mean like the object, for example. So over here, أنا plus بغيت plus the verb is in infinitive, okay? This is the rule and keep it in mind. So أنا بغيت نسافر, travel. So أنا بغيت نسافر غدا. أنا بغيت نسافر غدا, for example. So yeah, so this is how to express wants. Okay, you notice, friends? So yeah, so you remember where is next? Defines words. Exactly. You remember. So defines words. Example. So okay, let's keep the example this easy. Gas. Okay, so it's called gas. Cup is gas, yes, correct. So gas, gas. So gas, so cup, okay. The cup, الكاس, الكاس, الكاس. Gas, correct, cup. الكاس. Amazing, you're doing very well. Let's go to another example. كتاب, okay. كتاب, الكتاب, okay. كتاب, الكتاب, okay. So we have here, okay, book, the book. Fantastic. You're a fabulous student and you're doing amazing. شمعة, 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 شمعة. Perfect. So candle, the candle. شمعة شمعة. This one دفتر 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 دفتر. Okay, so دفتر دفتر. So you're wondering what is the rule over here? There is no rule. Just keep in mind defined words have without the and with the. So the in Moroccan Arabic is l, okay, l. Okay, so it's that easy when we said cup. Okay, so cas, l, cas. Okay, l. Okay, so all is l. So this is the rule, if you want to call it a rule. Okay, so this is it about the finest words. And let me tell you where is next. Let's talk about to do and not to do in Morocco. For example, so let's start a new house. Okay, do I must take my shoes off or no? The answer is in Morocco, if you enter a house normally and respectfully, you must take your shoes off. Do I must walk with socks? No, they give you slippers. Okay, home slippers, and you can walk with it. And it's the when you do this, you show respect to people. Another thing when you enter a new house. We skip the part that is before entering a house. Okay, so before entering a house, you must think about the house that you're going to. Are you familiar with, or just known people? Is your family or whatever is it? And you must take in consideration to take something with you and not go and it's empty. Right, correct. So, but the question is, what do I must buy for these people? Okay, wherever is it, except your family and it's you, for example, a house that you go often, you don't need to buy anything. But if you visit him for the first time, usually you take with you, and it's like showing respect to people. Okay, so you take with you, for example, you buy milk. Okay, if for example you buy sweetness, something like that, and you could buy another thing, so it's up to you, but usually it's the normal. So you get milk for these people and you get some stuff like that. So in this way you show people that you care about them and you show them respect. So you will find all the parts in the description below. Don't forget to check it. I will write everything. So yes guys, it's a beautiful day to teach and to learn of course. And yeah guys, so this is the end. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and also check my oldest video if you're new learning more about Moroccan Arabic. If you have any specific question in mind, don't hesitate to comment below guys, and let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any question, I'm ready to answer you. And guys, Slamo!